Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add time using the time function on Google Sheets. If you want to add time using the time function in Google Sheets, it's important to understand how time is stored and calculated inside spreadsheets. Let's begin. First, open your Google Sheets document. So we'll use the following table to see the time function. At the end time section, we're going to insert the function as follows: equals time, then insert the start time row and column, which is E5, then plus F5, which is the hour section row and column. Now we're going to add a comma, then minute to signify the minute section, again E5 plus G5. Then we're going to insert a comma again and add a second section, which is H5, and do the above step again. We're going to close the bracket and click on Enter. Now we can change the time. So we'll go to the hour section and enter any number we want to change the hour for us and click on Enter. As you can see, the end time has changed. We can also manipulate both the minutes and seconds section, just like this. And that's how you add time using the time function in Google Sheets. Remember, the key isn't just memorizing the formula, it's understanding how time actually works inside a spreadsheet. Google Sheets doesn't see time the way we do. It stores it as fractions of a full 24-hour day. Once you understand that, adding hours, minutes, and seconds becomes predictable instead of confusing. So by using the time function properly and formatting cells correctly, you can perform accurate time calculations without errors. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.